Okay, so we're going to look at page 159. We're doing number 1 and number 2. We're doing A to D and A to D. Number 3A is optional, but I don't think anyone will have time for 3A because you're quite rushed. So we're doing number 1, A to D. It says round off the number to the nearest 10, round off the number to the nearest 100, and round off the number to the nearest 1000. I will do a quick example of each of these on the board for you with question E, which we're not doing. 4748. Is that what it is? 4748? Okay, so 4748. Please don't write while I'm talking. Okay, 4748. If we round it off to the nearest 10, what do we look at when we're rounding off to the nearest 10? The unit. Okay. Is this unit going to make my 10 round up or round down? Round up. Okay, so it's going to be 4750. When we're rounding off to the nearest 100, what do we look at, Lisa? 10. The 10. Is this 10 Jess going to make my 100 round up or round down? Round down. This 4 is lower than 5, so it's going to round that 100 down. So it's going to stay the same. Olivia, when we do a rounding off to the nearest 1000, what do we look at? The 100. Mikle, do you think that this 7 is going to make 700? The 7 is going to make my number round up or round down? Round down. Round up. So if we round 4,000 up, what does it become? 5,000. 5,000. Well done, girls. You all seem very switched on today.
Miss Katia,
Yes.
every time, so like when you round off the 10, every time you round off the unit and then you make it into a higher number.
Only if you round it up, you make it to high.
Then must the second, the unit go to 0?
Yes. So if you round off 10, then the 10 becomes 0. If you round off 100, you're going to have 2 zeros. If you round off 1,000, you're going to have 3 zeros. Okay.
So you just put the 0.
Next question was number 2. Okay, so this is quite important because it's going to relate to your work you're doing tomorrow. So your first box, it gives you the number sentence. Remember, we're only doing A to D, so I'm going to do I on the board, which is 34 times 13. Okay? 34 times 13 is my number sentence. You can fold your page into 3 if you want to, and on the one side you have number sentence. In the middle you have rounding off. Don't do it while I'm talking. To the nearest 10. So I'm just going to pretend my page is folded into 3. And on the last one you've got calculate. You only need to write calculate. Okay, so there's my sum, 34 times 13. Round off to the nearest 10. What is 34 rounded off, Tristy?
34 rounded off is 13.
30. And what is 13 rounded off, Z?
13 rounded off.
Yeah, to the nearest 10.
10.
10. Okay. 3 times 1 is?
3.
How many zeros do I add?
2.
Okay. Then on this side, you're going to actually calculate it the way we've been doing it every day. Are you here? Okay. So I'm just going to quickly explain this and then you can go in a second. So the way that we've been doing it, for example, you've got 34 times 13. So we've got 13 plus 4 times 10 plus 3, just like we did yesterday. Take out your different color if you still would like to, and you do your sum just like we did yesterday. I know you didn't have any trouble with that, Sophie, so you can go if you'd like to. Yes?
I have Mrs. Givens after break that I have to go to that dancing thing.
Okay, will you let you know? Please just pop outside and just call it. Okay, so we've got 30 times answers together. So what is 3 times 10?
300.
Well done. 300 if you had to say 30 times 10.
Nine.
What is 3 times 3?
9.
9.